Alright, so if we have a piecewise function, f of x, it's going to equal these three things. So the first one we have is 3x minus 1 4x is less than negative 4. The second is x squared for x in between negative 4, x, and 3. And then lastly we have x to the negative 1 for any x that is greater than 3. And the question is, we need to find these four values. So f of 1, f of 4, f of 3, and f of negative 4. And the way you're going to solve this is you got to go by these guys here. Right? So your function being f of x, you're given these values to plug into the piecewise equation. So let's take the first one. F of 1 lies between negative 4 and 3. So you're going to use this equation to solve it. So 1 squared is equal to 1. Now to go to 4. Well, 4 is greater than 3. So you're going to go 4 to the negative 1, which is 1/4. Three is obviously going to be these two. This should have been written somehow. Usually there's an equal sign here, so whoever presented the problem might want to look for that, because obviously you can't have two values that are the same, because that wouldn't be a continuous function. So wherever the less than or equal is 2 or greater than or equal to, you're going to solve for either of these, whichever one that is. So let's just say the equal sign is here. So you're going to take 3 squared, and that's going to equal 9. Negative 4, and similarly, there probably should be an equal sign there or an equal sign here. So these are going to be less than or equal to negative 4 or greater than or equal to negative 4. We'll just go ahead and say it's here. So at negative 4, you're going to have 3, negative 4, negative 1. So it's negative 4 plus a negative 1, which is equal to negative 5. Now if you were to plot this, the reason why they can't be the same, let's see, you're going from negative 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's negative 1, negative 3, negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3. Alright. So when x equals 0, y equals -1. And when y equals 0, x equals 1/3. So about here. So we have, well, that's a horrible line, but something similar to that. But it's only going to be valid for less than 4. So it's only going to be valid in this region. So the solid line would represent where that's valid, because anything less than or equal to -4 is going to be this. Then you're going to do x squared, which is going to be like this. Right? And then you're going to have x to the -1 greater than 3. And I don't know what that's going to look like. Yeah, I do. So it's going to be 1/3, but it's going to scale down and go to 0 as x gets larger and larger and larger. So that's going to kind of look like this if that was 3 and this was 1/3. It's actually going to start here and go down, 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 down as the numbers get bigger.